Good morning, guys. It's another episode of Shop Saturday. Today, we're lucky enough to have been able to buy a new piece of equipment, the Dustopper. You guys remember last time I was sanding, I said, you know, we really need to get a dust collection system. So this is our very first dust collection system, which we bought this, which comes with the Dustopper and a hose, and you just need a 5-gallon bucket and your own shop vac. Let's get started. Okay, so basically all we have to do is grab our bucket. As you can see, there's nothing in there. Well, there's nothing in the bucket right now. We're supposed to put our Dustopper on top. The inside basically has this hole where the stuff's gonna go in, and then the air is gonna suck right here, and then it's got this to prevent it from sucking the dirt back up. So we're just gonna put it on top of our bucket. And it's on there. And then one weird thing is that it's got this extra elbow on it, which isn't included on the instructions or nothing. So don't know if this is the in or if it's considered the in or the out. But I guess it goes like this, and then into our 5-gallon or into our shop vac. So we gotta take this hose off. I actually have been using, just because I hate when the shop vac loses suction. So I've been using shop vac bags, which is really nice so that you don't lose suction as you're using it, but the only problem with the bag is it fills up. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to take the bag out, and then we'll just dump this stuff into little bits in here. Okay, so for the most part, there's not a whole lot of stuff in the shop vac right now. There's a very little bit. There's a little bit of cobwebs and stuff on the filter. We've got a little bit of sawdust right here, and then we've got the bucket full of sawdust, and we're gonna try to clean the planer and the joiner out, and we have some more shavings right there. We're gonna go through and see if it sucks and how much stuff gets through to the shop vac. Okay, let's put it to the test. As you can see, our setup is tipped over already, so I have a feeling we're gonna have to figure something out to keep it from tipping over. Yeah, I'll just take the elbow off. That seems to work better with no elbow. So we'll turn it on. So the thing I'm most excited about is being able to hook it up to the joiner to help prevent making such a big mess. As you can see there, because it's got a lot of shavings up in there. You can kind of see the plastic lid on the Dustopper is kind of see-through, so you can kind of see the stuff go through. So let's watch it here. As you can see, it's still sucking really good. Look. All them shavings, the whole box is gone now. Who's ready to see how much stuff is in the Dustopper and how much stuff is in the vacuum? Okay, let's disconnect the hoses. I mean, it was still sucking like it was brand new, so I just hope this doesn't crack at some point, because that's going to be a bummer having to. Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at how much stuff is in that bucket. Quite a bit of stuff in the bucket. Makes you wonder if there's a lot of stuff in the vacuum. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hardly anything in there. Like I said before, there was some dirt in there, but there is a couple shavings. But that's pretty impressive. So now I'm real excited, because my shop vac bag should stay empty for a long time when I use that, and you should never lose suction. So if you had to ask me, I would say this Dustopper works, and it's going to be a pretty nice selling product for Home Depot. That's where I got mine from, Home Depot. And so make sure you get yourself one if you're looking for a cheap, easy dust collection system. It's not the fanciest one, but as you can see, it does work. Well, I hope you enjoyed our review of the Dustopper. As far as we're concerned, we give it a thumbs up. I'm pretty impressed. That was the first time I used it, and pretty impressive. I'm excited to hook it to my sander. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we do Shop Saturday. This is an episode of Shop Saturday, which goes live every Saturday. It gives everybody an update of what we've been working on in our shop. Like everybody, there's never enough time in the shop, so hopefully as our episodes continue, we get more and more viewers and more subscribers, and we'll be able to spend more time in the shop. Thanks for watching. If you haven't seen any of our other episodes of Shop Saturday, make sure you click the box right here and get caught up. Some of them are kind of funny, as all of us can't be professional woodworkers. Some of us are beginners, and that's where we're at right now. Join our journey, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.